dito is, ito naman yung control system para dun sa suppression. So, we have our releasing control panel. Basically, siya yung listed na panel to perform power suppression release. Okay? So, kinagandaan siya kanya, meron na siya mga built-in buttons. Conventional panel lang siya, no? Meron siya mga buttons, then mga LEDs for indicators natin dun sa status ng panel. For audible and visual, we can still use yung HEC 324WR. We also have SOC smoke detectors. Ito naman is conventional detectors. So kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa siya. Mainly kasi sa suppression system, gumagamit ng at least 2 zone to initiate the power suppression release. So gumagamit siya ng 2 detectors sa magkaibang zone. So yung isang zone is for the first activation, for evacuation. Then yung second detection, kapag kumalat ng smoke, doon pa lang mag-initiate yung countdown for the release of the gas. Okay? Then abort switch. So in case you wanted to stop the sequence for the suppression, then you can press the abort yung system. Then power suppression release, in case you don't want to intayin na kumalat yung smoke bago ma-reach yung second detector, pwede mo nang i-activate yung push station for the suppression release. And we have bells, also for notification, and we have what we call the disconnect switch. Ito naman is ginagamit to, let's say, during maintenance. So, para maiwasan natin yung accidental discharge of the power suppression system, pwede natin i-disable muna yung activation ng system. Okay? So, yeah. So, to have so, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko, dito sa panel na to, we can create different function button. So, for example, dito is we program a button that can initiate general alarm of the system. So, yeah. So, para hindi lang kayo magulat, no? Mag-i-test natin, no? For a quick test lang ng system.